Welcome to GBALL Vision, everyone. I hope you are doing fantastic today. We have an exciting unboxing and short little video to dive into today. We have the EMP EDC Thick Boy version 2, and we have a little something to unbox, and it is actually for this guy here. Something that I've always wanted to add to this knife, but due to them selling out very quickly, I was not able to get one when they were dropped. But I was able to get my hands on a Zirku tie pocket clip for the Thick Boy. Now, I also have a version 1 Thick Boy that this could potentially go on as well, but I think it's fitting to put that guy on there. Yeah, that is it for in the package. So all we should need, this is a Best Tech OEM, all we should need is a T8. This will be a very simple swap over. Yep, T8 on the pocket clip screws. Now, as far as I know, there will not be any more drops of the Thick Boys, at least not anytime soon. So anyone who has one has a very limited knife, because there wasn't they were limited batches when the version 1 came out, and then they were limited batch when the version 2s came out. Now, I was not able to get in on the version 2s when they dropped. And it just so happened that I was able to trade with somebody, make a trade, and get my hands on the exact model that I wanted. Realistically, I wouldn't have mind having the all zirked out one, but that was about double the price and just wasn't realistic for me to get. So the DLC blade was the one that I really wanted, and sure enough, that was the one I was able to snag, and there she is. Look at that thing. Oh, baby. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that thing. Let's move that out of the way. We'll slide that out of the way. And I do have the version 1 here just to do a slight comparison. And then I also brought out some other EMPs that have some different pocket clips with them. You can tell this is an update or an upgrade even. They're both bolster locks. They both have certain inlays, similar, same pocket clip, same blade shape, same design. It's just there's been some tweaks. You have a little bit more blade length on the version 2 due to the choil being cut back. So he was able to add some blade, still give you that full finger choil and those great ergos, but making the version 2 just that much better. Now, the version 1 is still just amazing in my book, but the version 2 is incredibly good. So here on the Ronin, this is a gold Zirku tie pocket clip here. It has hints of blue in it. And then here is the Nimbles Zirku tie kit, which looks very, very good. That is the OG Nimble kit. And stay tuned because we do have a kit coming for the Nimble T version 2. And now this is the gold Mokume clip for the Relative. So that's another great thing about EMP EDC is not only can you get a fantastic knife at a fantastic price, but you can get some aftermarket goodies to put on to the knife and make it that much more yours. Adding the little tweaks and the little differences to each one of the knives, kind of makes it yours. You get to add a little splash of something if you want. I don't feel that it is completely necessary. I don't do this for many other knives. But when it comes to the EMPs, I will get some aftermarket things to add to them at this point. Initially, I was kind of set on not touching them, keeping them all original. And some of them are still that way, like the thick boy here. This is all the original parts. And then I have a nimble that is all original parts. But I found it fun to add some mokutai or mokume or zirkutai. And at this point, they're coming out with so many different flavors and colors. You have gold zirk. They have blue zirk that I've seen, mokume. So there is just all kinds of different textures, patterns, choices that you can make in order to kind of pimp out your EMP. And I absolutely love that. Look at that. That is just outstanding. I'm almost positive this is the Zirkutai. It certainly looks, because he did Mokutai, he did Zirkutai. I'm pretty sure. It's Zirkutai. It could be Mokutai. I will have to double check on that. Either way, that doesn't bother me or matter to me one bit. That just looks amazing. And this thing is such a hand feeling knife. The ergos are perfect, especially if you have a little bit bigger hands. Uh, the thick boy is an ergonomic dream, whether you're choked up or choked back or standard grip. The jimping runs up the spine of the knife there, and it locks you in so good. And this is an awesome utility style cutter. I haven't used this one quite to the extent that I've used the version 1, just basically kind of taking care of this because there won't be any more. Now I still carry them both. I still use them both. This one has seen a lot more use. I've had it for about twice as long at this point. I've just kind of found the need to really take care of this one. But with that being said, and this now being added, I'm probably going to be carrying this guy around a little bit more. I just love EMP EDC's pocket clip style. I like how they function very well as a pocket clip. Tighten that down. The retention on them is perfect. Easy to get in and out of pocket. Absolutely a game changer with that. Like I said, stay tuned, guys, because we do have a Nimble T version 2 disassembly and kit upgrade coming very soon within the next couple of days. We haven't disassembled that knife yet or done anything other than an overview of that knife. So I am excited to get into that knife and change some things around. That'll wrap it up for this one, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button right there in the center of your screen or down below the video. I'll throw up 2 new videos for you to check out. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will catch you on the next one.